concept only, I think everybody is learning about BTech as well as management courses, other technical courses. If I am not telling about the importance of this concept in the sense, definitely, damn surely I am telling, we could have not been sick in this class. That much important topic, absolute. With the evaluation of this concept only, we are learning about importance of BTech as well as management and development. Okay. Now, today my concept is business. I think everybody knows the business because some of our fathers also they are doing the business. Without the business, we don't think so. Still, I think, shall I ask one doubt here with your kind permission?
Sure.
Does India is a developing country or developed country or underdeveloped country? Who said? Who said that India is comes in a category of developing? You know, major parameter on what basis we are telling India is still developing country? Because of business, because of globalized business. If you don't think so about the globalized business, we don't think so about our technical resolution as well as management resolution of the thing. That much importance we are giving, that priority we are giving to the business council. Okay. Let me talk about what is business. What exactly meaning of business? Any can guess? Exchange of money. Selling and buying. With what mode we are selling and buying? That is what? When we are combining telling. Next slide. I think these all the commercial people who are doing their respectable business. With the mode of single norm. Only everybody they are doing their respectable business. That is called profit. When you are talking about definition, next slide. Business is nothing but buying and selling with an objective of what you are earning the profit. Isn't it or not? To speak about other definition, what we can go? On the other hand, in simple terms, we can go exchange of goods and services. For the purpose of what we are doing actually, for the purpose of what actually we are exchanging goods and services, for the purpose of profit. The main objective of any type of businesses is profit. Okay. When you are observing carefully, the definition also reveals similar meaning. Okay. To speak about next slide, objectives. Objectives of business. What is meaning of objective? What actually objective tells? Objective is what? In general terms, we might observe objective of physical writing, objective of mind, objective of yours.
What is going to achieve?
Goal is nothing but objective. Is it relevant to the goal? Fine. Next slide. Objective explains the purpose of existence. Objective explains, isn't it or not? Purpose of existence. Why should I? What actually I am doing? What type of thing I am doing? The purpose of existence tells about objective. Let us see various objectives for the business. I am purely talking about in business terms. Okay. See, as we have understood very clearly that the main mode of the business is earning a profit, but that is not correct. You know why? In current scenario, in olden tradition, okay. If you are telling earning a profit, it was okay. If my father telling for the sake of profit only I did business, if your father are telling for the sake of profit or it was okay in both the days, not currently. You know why? Next slide. The main objective of any type of businesses, if you ask anybody, if you ask any Ajit Premji, if you ask Ratan Tata sir, if you ask Mukesh Ambani, if you ask Anil Ambani sir, they will tell only one thing. That is nothing but, next slide, to satisfy the customers. That is the main objective of any business. Understood or not? Isn't it or not? Just think practically. So if they are telling directly for the sake of profit orientedly in front of the media, just think what would happen the next. They might get all negatives. That is what indirectly they are telling. First priority they are treating. As you know very clearly, Every company, they are treating customers as gods. If they are not caring about taste and preferences of the customers, that's it. Nothing is going to be done. That much clarity they are giving. That is what first objective they are telling, to satisfy the customers, the needs and wants. That is the first. Agree? See here. Second one is as we are telling always. Second objective is we are calling profit. Without the profit, we may not think about anything. See, whatever I pasted the pictures, I pasted here Infosys and Mahindra Scorpio. So all the companies' objectives is they're calling the profit oriented. Okay, right? And next, you speak about next growth oriented. Okay, when you talk about Wipro company, I think everybody knows, right? Wipro company. What things they are doing now currently? You know, initially, what was their business? They were diversified. You know, they were diversified in terms of making the sunflower oil, and then they were diversified in terms of making the bulbs, and then they were diversified in terms of software industry. Okay, if you observe very carefully, you might observe the growth. If somebody earns more amount and they are keeping the P1 or that was not objective. The main objective of any type of businesses, if you understand very carefully, even Tata Groups also, they were diversified in the 28 segments businesses. You observe very carefully. So the main objective is, you can say very clearly, the growth oriented. For example, Wipro, I take an example here. Sandur owned by Wipro, as well as Bulbs also owned by Wipro, as well as software industry owned by the Wipro. Okay. And to speak about next objective is the challenging oriented. See here, do you know the two-wheeler industry? Who have been playing a major role in the two-wheeler industry? On what basis you are telling it?
Profits.
They were running the more profits. In order to compete with everybody, suppose if I would like to start two-wheeler industry, if I would like to start two-wheeler business, so what I supposed to take is, competition is very tough, right? Everybody knows the competition is very tough. I understood the competition. If I am maintaining the good policies, everything is good. But if I am not accepting the risk bearing, you know what is the meaning of risk bearing? If any entrepreneur not accepting the risk bearing, otherwise if they are not accepting any challenging things, okay, that's it, they are not going to be quick in the market. That is what TVS Jai, if you observe, the very first clutchless bike they were launched. Very first earlier bike they were launched. Okay, clutchless bike. And moreover, we observed self-start system bikes also. Okay, so this all things comes under what actually? Challenging. If the product is going to be clicked or not, that is a secondary. But we have to accept. We have to accept that is a main challenging. Okay, and then if you observe very carefully, so now we are telling sir, Splendor company have been playing a major role in terms of the two-wheeler vehicles. Why? We can say even Lux, since the past 20 years it has been playing a vital role. Likewise, you can tell Nirma company also playing a vital role in terms of making the detergent as well as giving the detergent taste. Since so many years they were maintaining the major role. They have a huge market share in the market. How? Because of this. If they are not achieving this concept, damn surely I am telling, they won't get any type of target market here. That is what to provide well quality products and services. The very last thing, if you observe very carefully, if any business magnate doesn't follow this concept, if any business magnate, either Ratan Tata sir, otherwise Mukesh Ambani, whoever it may be, if they were not following, definitely their business is going to be collapsed. That much clarity we have to give towards this point. That is nothing but next slide. So providing after sales and services. Okay, if you buy currently, if you buy any Nokia mobile and then if you get any trouble in that particular mobile instance, what we are doing simply? What we are doing? Are we approaching any customer care center? Or we have separate customer care centers at outside? Isn't it or not? Yes. I give you mobile number also. If anybody has any doubts, you can make call to that. Okay. That is what providing after sales and services also playing have been major role. That is what they were kept in the objectives. If they are not giving the absolute priority towards this concept in the sense, they may not project excellence sales value. That much clarity the word given to us to provide after the sales and services. Okay, and then actually I prepared for a 45 minutes program. We plan of that. Okay, moreover, I'm concluding the program. Just with your kind permission, shall I extend the 5 minutes, only 5 minutes? About companies I'm telling. About companies I'm telling. About companies, because in looking at us, we are observing the awareness about companies, right? That is what? See, types of organizations. Fast. Types of organizations. The types of organizations, okay, we might observe different types, but I'm concentrating only on companies because in the future, our students, they are going to do the work under the companies. And then company, actually, when you are talking about a company, when you are talking about history, company is derived from the two Latin words, come plus pani. Come here, come together, pani in the sense bread. Bread in the sense, as everybody knows, sharing. Come together and share ourselves. And then, speak about meaning. Okay, meaning is okay. Next, types of companies. Recognized by the law. Law should be recognized. Okay, law should be recognized, which having the distinct name, and common seal to form a business in terms of getting the profit. That is called company meaning. Okay, to speak about types of companies. Generally, we have three types of companies. Ensure that